All right, breaking now for Dog. I got 2 16 Contenders football hobby box. Good luck, man. Let's get you some big hits. See, it's a camera trick, right? That happens all the time because I always line them up. People are like, I ordered 3 boxes. I'm like, oh, did you? I just slide them out like that. And there's sometimes when I actually forget it and I do look like an idiot, which is more what often happens. But yeah, we'll see. Thanks for joining some group breaks as well. For the Packers, or actually for the Packers and a Vikings uni, Jarrell Presley. I don't know if a Packers fan would want that card. Touchdown tandems AB and Big Ben. Not so much on Sunday, but it's okay. Still love them. I didn't even talk about it yesterday. I was too upset to talk about it yesterday. I think I'm over it now. I think I'm ready to move on. MVP Contenders lock. We got a redemption. Ricardo Lewis, RPS. Ricardo Lewis for the Browns. Rookie Roundup autograph, RPS. Ricardo Lewis. He seems to be the one. I've seen pulled a couple of his redemptions. What's Ricardo Lewis and they can't sign these cards? MVP Watt. Rookie Derek Watt. He and JJ's brother's actually coming to the draft this year. Should be a top 35, 40 pick. Pretty good player. Linebacker. All right, let's get some hits. Darren Lee is our, whatever you want to call it, instant gold ticket. Connor Cook and Dak. It's crazy. Connor actually went ahead of Dak, yeah. Pretty wild. A lot of teams pass them, so what are you going to do? For Minnesota, there we are. Nice one. 1 of 5. Rookie Roundup, Laquan Treadwell. Not a lot of playing time this year, but an unbelievable college player. I think Laquan's going to figure it out. Zimmer, I don't think likes rookies that much. 1 of 5, Laquan Treadwell, Rookie Roundup. We'll get that magged up for you. It's a nice hit right there. Breaking live right now. Send those orders in. Spots are going quick in both of our group breaks. So we should get them both off today as well. Definitely the Gold Rush Gem Mint break is going off. I think our baseball mix will fill up too. Both fun breaks. And 26 and 99 championship ticket. Actually 28 and 99. Excuse me. Drew Brees. Couple more packs to go. Whole another box to go as well. So tons more hits can be coming out. Don't go anywhere. Nick Van Nett, Austin Hooper. Hooper's looking good for Atlanta. Eric Swope, rookie auto for Indianapolis. Hey, nice. NFL ink, Mike Evans. Okay, get a pretty decent box now. Some late hits are coming. Mike Evans, great player for the Bucs. Malcolm Mitchell, rookie of the year. Always, man. All right, legendary contenders. Jerome Bettis. Sorry, pretty solid first box. Really nice. Laquan Treadwell, 1 of 5. Nice Mike Evans. Box number 2. All right, guys, let's get these group breaks filled. Send those live break orders in. Hopefully, that Onyx baseball is coming in today. I know I have. Yeah, you got it, man. I'll pull out all the inserts. Paxton Lynch, rookie of the year. I didn't really do it on the first one. I should know by now, but I'll pull them out. Archie Mann. Bunch of good breaks today. I'm breaking today. AJ's breaking today. The live break orders coming. Jihad Ward. Nice cracked ice, 1/24 rookie auto for the Oakland Raiders. 1/24 Jihad Ward. Oh, nice low numbered auto. Lamar Miller, playoff ticket out of 249 for the Texans. MVP Mariota. Bradford. Jalen Smith, Miles Jack. Daniel Lasco, rookie ticket for the Saints. Oh, that hurts. Mike Evans. I love opening contenders. It's like the only thing with a lot of packs I actually love opening. I love contenders. Ozzie Newsome. We're getting a couple more hits out here. The second stack is pretty good for us in the last box. Darian Thompson, another nice safety for the Giants. Rookie ticket auto. Boise State guy, if I'm not mistaken. Carr Cooper. Kenyon Drake. Kevin Dodd for the Titans, rookie auto. Pass rusher for the Tennessee, Kevin Dodd. Work star. Braxton Miller. Okay, Eli Apple, Jalen Ramsey. 2 more packs. Still breaking live, guys. Send those orders in. Going to 4 later today. Some good group breaks today. Hey, I really like this guy. Championship ticket 24/25. Tyler Boyd. I even like him, and he's a Bengal and a former Pitt Panther, so you know I think he's a good player. Those are 2 big no-nos. 24/25 rookie championship ticket Tyler Boyd. I think he's going to be torturing us for the next couple of years. Really good player. Okay, Travis Benjamin ended. All right, so 2 solid boxes, some nice hits. I got 1 out of 24, 1 out of 25, and 1/105. So not too shabby right there. Thanks for the break, dog. And we'll get that all packed up with Vault and everything. I'll get it all set on one package for you. Thanks.